Alright, today I was going to do the what's in my bag tag video, but I decided that I was going to do the what's in my car video, because that just seems so much more interesting to me because I have so much crap in my car. So we're going to start in the back because I got some junk in my trunk, if you know what I mean. Literally. I literally have junk in my trunk. Okay. Is this possible? How do you close it on myself? I want you to close. No? I have a t-shirt for the volleyball team that I'm part of. So there's that. I'm so awkward. This is so scary. Relocation. So I have an umbrella. That's always good. I have this bag. Yeah. Recycle. I have this other bag for things. Good. I have a whole bunch of BJ coupons that are super expired. These are from April, June. Not one, but two of those t-shirts. The bottom of a broom. Just the bottom. Next part of my car. I have a little slip from when I ordered something and I got fries and onion rings to go. Gloves. Blank paper. Written on, drawn on paper from when I went to a museum and they made us draw things. It was fun though. And more paper. I'm so eco-friendly. A sock and another sock. Bowling sock that has bowling pins on it. I'm cool. 2 pairs of shoes, 1 pair of moccasins, 1 pair of Converse, and 3 almost empty bottles of beverages. And a quarter. That's good to have. We're gonna put that over here. I have an undrinking can of soda, a half-eaten, almost melted thing of giant M&Ms, have my keys, 2 little bopping head turtles, the shirt that I was wearing over this shirt today, sunglasses, my bag, then my computer's over there, and then my peacoat jacket. So yeah, that's my car, that's what's in it. Hope that did something for you. Didn't do anything for me. So help me realize that I need to clean my car. So yeah.